Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the Zodiac palette. It retails for $24, but it is actually on sale right now for 50% off. So I don't know if it's going to be on sale by the time this is posted. Hopefully. BH Cosmetics tends to always have sales, so I'm sure there is some kind. But if not, still only $24. This is what the palette itself looks like. It's got, I think it's a 25 shades? Yes, 25 eyeshadows, colors, and then one highlight. So this middle shade is supposed to be a highlighter. I already put highlighter on, so I'm not going to use this, but it's too, like, pale for me, and I'm white, so it might be a fun, like, inner corner highlight, though. So we're going to start playing with this bad boy. So I'm going to take this tan shade right here, and we're going to use that to start my crease. Ooh, so far this is a really pigmented, and it's blending so nice. I should do Capricorn because that's what I am, right? Let's do that. We're going to go with that. I'm going to take the green shade, the matte green shade in this palette. I'm going to put that in the crease. Ooh, that's pretty. You know what? I think I'm going to do a halo. So let me go back with that first shade and put it in the inner corner. And then go in with the green shade in the inner corner. Ooh, that is a pretty color. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the first shade and blend it together. That way I don't lose too much of that warmth of the brown. Let's use a small brush. I'm trying to pick. I feel like the hardest part for me is figuring out what brush I want to use. Let's use you. Okay, I'm going to go, in with the dark brown shade here. And I'm just going to use a very small amount because these are obviously pigmented. And I'm going to put that right in the crease just to define it more. But very lightly. These are very pigmented. By the way, if you guys hear somebody mowing, I'm sorry. One neighbor stopped mowing finally, so I started filming, and now another one's mowing. So I can't win today. Alright, I'm going to go back in with the green shade just to blend a little bit more because I don't want this too brown. I want to keep it green toned, but I want the brown to define it more. Okay, and then one last time I'm going to go back in with the light brown shade, the first shade, and buff it all together. Ooh. Okay, how pigmented is this shade? Ooh, that's really pigmented, so I'm going to try not wetting it, and I'm going to try without putting concealer down first. So let's hope this is as pigmented as it was on my finger. Alright, and that's the Capricorn shade. I guess I should have mentioned that. So that is the metallic shade for the Capricorn. Okay. Ooh. Look at me branching out. That's super pretty. But I kind of want it more. I'm going to spray it. I want it more intense. Yes. I feel like if I would have done this with my finger, it would have been that intense right off the bat, but I have nails. So. Okay. Then I'm going to take the brush I used for the green, but I'm not going to add anything more. And I'm just going to pat the edges out to help blend that all. Right, and then we have some fallout, so let's dust that away. Now let's do our lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to take the green shade, the dark green shade, on a definer brush, and I'm going to put that the closest to my waterline. And then, if I can find my fluffy brush. Alright, then I'm going to go in with that very first light brown transition shade and buff this all out. And then we're also going to buff that into the top line. I'm going to add nude to my waterline because I don't like my eyes looking too closed off. If you don't mind that, then this actually would look really good with the black. But it kind of bugs me to be that closed off. So this is just the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eyeliner in the nude. I'm going to take the black shade in the palette and I'm going to use that to tightline the top. That way my lashes will blend in better. So I'm just going to put that along the top, but right at the edge.
These are so pigmented, it's insane.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, do my lashes, do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the other eye. I did add a inner corner highlight and a little bit up on my brow bone. And the palette doesn't have a color. I really wanted a gold shade, so I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Champagne, which I absolutely hate that they call it that because this is gold. I mean, like, gold. So I used that on the inner corner and then very lightly up here so that it wouldn't be too gold because of my skin tone. And then I went and I was extra and I used 3 mascaras. I first used the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and then the Benefit Bad Gal Bang on top of that. And then I used the Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara for my lower lashes. That's a lot, I know. Oh, I didn't put on lips. I'm just going to put a gloss on today. So this is the Bare Minerals Sugar. I love this. Okay, so my overall thoughts of this palette is it's really, really nice. So you get all of these shades, which is 25 shades and then a highlighter shade. So if you can't use this as a highlighter, that's 26 shades. The formula is really, really nice. Like, they blended so nicely and they're super pigmented. Even the metallic that I used was actually really pigmented without me wetting it. I just wanted more metallic and I wanted the gold in it to show up more. So for the gold to show up more, I needed to wet it. But overall, I think this is a really good palette and it's really good for its price too. So that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.